on my version, I've went ahead and made the home bar. So I want you to go ahead and do that. Make it into a component just like you did with the status to practice that. I'd also like for you to make a section to store all your components. It's a good organization method, and it's also a method to kind of increase your contrast, etc. when you're working on these things. So I'm going to grab section and draw a section around these and call that section components. So it creates a little organizational structure in the layers. So I think that's always a good practice. Another thing is that generally these elements, so you see it stores them in our assets palette according to our section. So I'm going to drag the home bar here, home button. So a potential problem is, let's say I want a little navigation behind it. Notice this background color in this component is blocking that. So I'm just going to go ahead and go to these components and go to the fill and hide that fill so that turns transparent. This just gives me an option. It's a little easier to work on these things, edit them with an edge, but you don't want them while they're in use. And because they're in a section and not against the black background, you're able to see it a little bit better. So sometimes I'll change this fill color to different fills to help me out with that. So go ahead and make that home and create a components section.